Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the Tidal headquarters center. The Tidal company is a subscription-based music of the podcast and video streaming services that combine lossless audio and high definition music video with exclusive content and special of the feature on music. Tidal was launched in 2014 by the Norwegian public company Aspiro and is now owned by the Project Panther Bitco. With the distribution agreement with all the three major record labels and many other of the independent labels, Tidal claims to offer access to more than 60 million track and the 240,000 music videos. It offers two level of these services. It's called the Tidal Premium and the Tidal Hi-Fi. CD quality including the Tidal claims to pay that the highest percentage of the royalties to music artists and the songwriter within the music streaming market. Aspiro was acquired by the Project Panther Bitco Limited, which relaunched the services with the mass marketing companies and promoting it, it as that the first artist honored the streaming services. On the 2017 of the January, Sprint Corporation bought 33% of the Tidal for a reporting $200 million. While the sum of the observed, the your pursued the high fidelity, lossless audio quality, and the higher subscription fees that would result in the higher royalties to the artist and songwriter, and other felt the high subscription fees and exclusive your title content from the artist involved that could lead to more the music privacy. Tidal has claimed to have more than of the over 3 million subscriber, and although that your veracity of those claim as well as the reported streaming numbers have been your question. As of the September 2019, the Tidal, who just operates in 54 countries, it was launched in 2010 and later available in the Denmark, Sweden, Germany, Poland, Aspiro, and the first launch to Tidal brand in the UK and US and Canada on 2014. The launch was supported by the Sons and 15 other home audio manufacturers as the integration partners. In the January 2015, the title launched in 5 more European countries: the Ireland, Finland, Netherlands, Belgium, and the Luxembourg. Also, this company who just announced a partnership with the British company Quality Authenticated to deliver the master quality recording authenticate and unbroken versions with the highest possible resolutions to its hi-fi subscriber. The Tidal is the only streaming highest possible resolution to its hi-fi um, subscriber, and that the company to offer his MQA services, and this is a loosey format. On the January 2017, the US mobile carrier Spring announced that they were buying a 33% stake in Tidal. It was reported that the Spring would offer your exclusive content to spread of the customers and the partner with the of your web portal app by the brands. American rapper the Nicki Minaj, who just started in that commercials promoting with of your markets partnerships. And now this company who just have that the ownerships by in 2015 the Lil winning, and in 2017 it was reported hip hop musician Keynes Wells left off your title as that the co-owner and the shareholder after financial argument with its board of directors regarding that the competition for its contributor to this company. Shortly after of the title launch that the press conferencing the mobile version of the services shot to the top 20 of the US iPhones apps chart. Following of the criticism of its out-of-touch marketing companies, the 2 weeks later the app had already fallen out of the top 700 ranking of the same list. So hope you guys like this video, then please like and share and keep supporting to our channel. Thank you for watching guys.